What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best portable washing machines to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 1, Morris Portable Dryer Compact Laundry Dryer.
My name is Morris, and I'm dry. And this is the Morris Zero. It's a dryer from the future. It might just be the fastest, gentlest dryer on Earth.
Which is good because I've got to be somewhere in 20 minutes, and this just happened.
Thankfully, the Morris Zero uses vacuum technology. No, not that vacuum, space vacuum. Because just like in outer space, the water inside Morris evaporates at a lower temperature, thus requiring less heat and energy to vaporize. Combined with its infrared heating system, it can dry your clothes in as little as 15 minutes. The world needs this.
Sure, I like kicking it at the laundromat every Friday night. But what am I supposed to do when all the machines are full? And I also don't need to be judged for my awesome underwear. Why be here when you could be here, safely doing laundry in the comfort of your own home? And I do mean safely, because the Morris Zero uses a moisture sensor system that detects when drying is finished and automatically turns off the device. Say goodbye to overheating, energy waste, shrinkage, and germs. Thanks to ultraviolet cleaning, Morris eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria, so your clothes come out as fresh as newly harvested pistachios. Taking the Morris Zero on the go with you is as easy as pie.
Sweetie, we're on vacation. Do you have to do this now?
Whoops. Sorry, honey.
But seriously, this thing is pretty nifty.
Its compact body makes it easy to move around, and because it's ventless, there's no need for complicated pipe setups or installation. And when the detachable tank is full, you just remove it, dump the water, and it's good to go.
It is so handy. I don't know which Morris I love more.
So there you have it. A future where drying is faster, greener, and safer than ever before. So back us today, and you'll be the first to receive your very own at an exclusive discounted price.
Number 2, Mini Portable Washing Machine.
The Dewu Wall Mountable Mini Washer is not only a space-saving solution but also a stylish one. Its unique design allows it to fit into any space in your home and even add a touch of elegance to your decor. As the world's first wall-mounted mini washer, it is now revolutionizing the way we design and use our spaces. This cube-shaped mini washer has added smoothness, making it an elegant addition to any room. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces such as apartments, condos, and even RVs. With the mini washer, you get a new and convenient washing experience. You no longer have to worry about piling up laundry as you can wash small loads right away. One of the best things about the mini washer is that it can wash any kind of clothing just as if hand-washed. This makes it perfect for delicate fabrics such as silk, wool, and lace. Additionally, it has a 15-minute quick wash feature that adds convenience to your busy life. The Dewu Wall Mountable Mini Washer takes special care of your baby's clothes as well. With hot water set to 95 degrees Celsius, it completely removes any detergent residue or dirt and sterilizes fabrics, protecting the sensitive skin of your baby. The Drum Clean feature keeps your washer clean at all times, taking your worries away. Enjoy the useful features and chic design of the mini washer and upgrade your lifestyle. The Dewu Wall Mountable Mini Washer is a game-changer in the world of laundry appliances, providing a space-saving, convenient, and stylish solution for your laundry needs.
Number 3, Water Spittier Portable Washing Machine.
We present to you a new prosthetic washing machine, accessible wherever you are and at whatever time you need. All it takes is loading your clothes or cloths in, water, and one press of a button. The water spitter takes 2 liters of water. Whether you need a 10, a 15, or 20-minute wash, the water spitter is available to be adjusted to any of your cleaning needs and can be drained easily through the opening of a valve or automatically. The choice is yours. After your clothes are done washing, the water spitter can spin dry your items for 10 or 15 minutes. Or dry for 120, 180, or 300 minutes. Easy to work and easy to carry. This washing machine will solve all your problems at home or on the go. With several washing modes and drying capability, this machine allows you to quickly and efficiently clean your linens, taking up minimal space and being easily accessible.
Number 4 Eurigo Drummy Portable Washing Machine. Number 5 Costwave Full Automatic Washing Machine.
So that's it for the top 5 best portable washing machines to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.